Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, many think that dieting is associated with self-inflicted torment wherein they must starve themselves in order to get the best results. This notion is simply untrue and is mainly supported by those who have approached dieting the wrong way. An effective dieting program should not be viewed as a prison sentence wherein you are denied all the fancies of fine-tasting food, but rather as a calculated method of eating the proper balance of the right foods over a defined period of time. Most people are completely confused about dieting and weight loss and its association to eating healthy foods. For those struggling to lose weight and shed pounds with dieting programs that advocate the abstinence from food over several days, studies have proven there is a direct correlation between eating healthy several times a day and losing weight. Most nutritionists agree that the best way to steadily lose weight is to eat a healthy balance of the essential food groups each day while implementing a disciplined fitness and exercise program. This way you not only provide your body with the energy it needs to naturally burn calories and convert stored fat into energy, but you also increase your metabolic rate, which is consistent with healthy weight loss plan. The old adage, "You are what you eat," certainly holds true in the area of dieting. Therefore, it is of paramount importance that you plan out your meals well ahead of time, making sure to cover the essential nutritional food groups. The key is to combine healthy meals in moderation with a tolerable fitness program that does not discourage you. As you begin this process, you may find that it is rather difficult to abstain from eating unhealthy foods and snacks. After all, you may have conditioned your body to the delicious taste of eating pizzas twice a week along with unhealthy food servings containing high levels of sugar, saturated fats, and other fat-producing substances. Before you begin a diet, it is always good to have a clear goal in mind. Dieting for the sake of dieting will not produce any measurable results, no more than driving for the sake of driving without a clear destination in mind. Are you looking to shed 15 pounds? Then plan your caloric intake accordingly and start a fitness program designed to burn X number of calories of a period of time. This could be over a period of 3 weeks or any other reasonable amount of time. It is important to keep your weight loss goals in front of you at all times. Envision what losing weight will mean for you. Is it that you will be able to fit into fashionable clothing that you have not been able to wear for a long time? Or will the motivation stem from being able to wear the hottest new bikini and swimsuit while looking your best this summer? In either case, you can lose weight when you methodically plan your approach. Tip: visit your local fitness center in your area. They usually have moderate weight loss programs or pamphlets containing useful information to help you lose weight. In most cases, you may be able to get a 30-day discounted trial membership wherein you may be able to get access to a fitness trainer that can map out a plan for you